Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to upgrade to Google Analytics 4. Now before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Are you still using Universal Analytics? It's time to upgrade to Google Analytics 4. Universal Analytics will no longer process new data beginning from this date, so make sure to switch and upgrade to Google Analytics 4 as soon as possible. You may notice a different way of presenting data in Universal Analytics when compared to Google Analytics 4. On your Universal Analytics account, click Admin. If you're still using Universal Analytics, you can view these three columns. When you've upgraded to Google Analytics 4, you can view two columns for your account and your property. If you check out the Property section for a Universal Analytics account, click on GA4 Setup Assistant. This page shows you two options. The first option is to create a new Google Analytics property. This option will allow you to create a new Google Analytics 4 property when you're still using a Universal Analytics account. Another option is to connect an existing Google Analytics 4 property. Since you're going to upgrade from Universal Analytics to Google Analytics 4, you need to choose this option to create a new Google Analytics 4 property. Make sure that you are the admin of this account so that you can view the Get Started button to start creating a new Google Analytics 4 property. If you're not the admin, you will see this note that you need permission from the admin to choose this option. When you're the admin and you click on the Get Started button, you will view this pop-up window. This wizard will create a new Google Analytics 4 property. Copy the basic settings from your Universal Analytics property and turn on Enhanced Measurement. Another optional setup is to enable data collection using your existing global site tag. When you enable this option, you can start manually configuring settings such as conversions, audiences, events, and product links. Now click the Create Property button. Now you have successfully connected your Google Analytics 4 property. Take note that your Universal Analytics property data will still remain intact and will not be affected as you upgrade to Google Analytics 4. Your Universal Analytics property remains unchanged. Below, you can view the connected property with the Universal Analytics property that you have. You can start exploring and setting up your GA4 property. Click this button. You can see that this is your new GA4 property and your connected UA property remains unchanged. You can start your data collection here. The property settings show the Google signals, set up conversions, define your audiences, and manage users. For the features that you haven't started yet, click on this arrow to take action. For Google Signals, click Manage Google Signals, then manually set it up depending on your business needs. For your conversions, you can choose to manage conversions, depending on your business needs. For audiences, you can see the recent audiences here. You can also build a new audience. You can see the suggested audiences, such as recently active users, purchasers, non-purchasers, or users who are not active for the last 7 days. Under Google Ads, you can connect to your Google Ads account so that your data are exported to Google Ads. It is important to upgrade now from your Universal Analytics to Google Analytics 4 so that you can enjoy the benefits of using the upgraded features that are only available on Google Analytics 4. If you need to create landing pages, funnels, lead pages in just a few clicks, we have a marketing app that can help you build a successful online business. You can create beautiful web pages, click and modify, and you don't need to learn how to do coding. You can create funnels with upsells, downsells, or order bumps. You can grab leads and send emails using Cloud Funnels. It also supports all major payment gateways, and you can offer memberships to your customers. With Cloud Funnels, you can create any type of business website, landing page, and funnel. Build your profits using memberships. Profit forever with email marketing. So try Cloud Funnels now. Go to the URL yournextfunnel.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.